Hello and welcome to a narrow KB Trainspotting videos, and today we're at Skipton in North Yorkshire, and today we'll be seeing just a little bit of Northern. I'm not going to be here for too long because I'm planning to go on the Carlisle line, if I can pronounce it right, and we're going up there along that line, hopefully some nice views. Now we're just leaving the train towards Leeds, which is a class 333, which I call them sci-fi trains because they look like a bit like out of space. It's not the first time I've seen these trains. I've seen them in Doncaster quite a while back, and this is the 947 train, and it is 333016. This one is. And we've got another train just the other side who just came on. Not sure where it's come from, but we haven't got really time to sort of fluff around with that really at the moment. We've got another 333 there. So yeah, and it's quite a nice station actually, really nice station. Probably not going to spend much time filming here. I don't think I have time, but it's nice just to get a little snapshot of it really. And yeah, it's a nice station, and yeah, we'll carry on with get some more videos and stuff when I get on the train towards Carlisle, and that'll be quite nice to see. So yeah, and the next video will probably be maybe a train come in or when I'm on that train, but time will tell, and we'll go from there. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up, please guys, any comments I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, let's see how this day goes. Now we get the train towards Carlisle, towards Carlisle from Leeds, and we've got 158755 coming in. It's the train I'm going to get towards Carlisle. And the Northern service, as always. So here. I'm going to get on this train and I'll get some more views when we're on the train. Seattle station, and yes, it's going to be quite nice. Settle, that's how you say it, and I've got all bits of it to go up, not everything, because I don't think it's right, and but yeah, we'll get moving. I'll film when we get moving. Now we are moving.
Northern train to Carlisle. The next station stop is Ribblehead.
Yes, we're going to get a few bits and pieces, try and get a bit of every station. That's what I'm planning to do. On the line only various bits and pieces, not everything, because I'm going to do a bit of filming for another video later on, which will come after this video you're seeing. And but yeah, we'll just go whatever comes. Now we're at the next station, which is Norton in Ribblehead, and we'll get more of this train when things go. We'll get and we'll get some more as the train go along, and between the next two stations I'll probably grab on a bit of filming at that point of view.
Next station stop is Ribblehead.
Next one is Ribblehead.
Thank you.
Now we're at Ribblehead.
Any teas, coffees, snacks, soft drinks, it is cash only at the moment, I'm afraid.
We've got a class 60087 over there, GBRf, and yes, we'll get moving with the train when it actually goes. And this time they said look for the best, so we'll get moving when we do.
Northern train to Carlisle. Next station stop is
Ribblehead. And there's some rolling hills. Yeah, we're actually going over the Ribblehead Viaduct. Look at this spectacular views. Quite misty over there, so on top of the hill. Next station called Dent. Unfortunately it's starting to rain, but we'll get the best as we can. This station is Dent.
Up the board is Northern Train to Carlisle. Next station stop is Carlisle.
Yeah, Dent is the highest station in the country. Yes. We've got some sort of your typical Yorkshire houses, and now we're up next to Carlisle. Get more when we depart.
Carlisle.
Now
Next station
this
stop
Parton.
is Kirby Stevens.
Silly small station. We'll get more when this train departs. Now we're leaving Kirby Stevens, nice little old light there.
Up the board is Northern Train to Carlisle. Next station stop is Appleby.
Next stop is Avanti, which is now a good station really to get on this line. Now we're at Avanti. And we'll get more when this train departs. And apparently there is a HF line round here, so you can get up the East Station, I do believe. But yeah, I'll put more details in the description down below. Now we're on station. So I hate to melt it. Stations left, and you can tell it was a bit different in when you travel up a bit more norther, but you expect that, and we'll get more when we get a few more stations until we get to Carlisle, and we'll get more with train when it departs. So I think it's simply retard anyway, so I don't know it's not in bothering pausing. When it departs. Now we are just departing.
Welcome aboard this northern train to Carlisle. The next station stop is Avanti.
Now we're at the next station. Station will be Carlisle. Now we're leaving the station.
Welcome aboard this northern train to Carlisle. The next station stop is Carlisle.
That's the Pride train coming in here. Bank West Coast. That's the Pride train coming to Carlisle. 390, 119, I think it might be. Going to Glasgow Central. That will be Glasgow Central. And this is on the West Coast Main Line.
Please make sure you take all personal belongings with you when leaving the train. See anything suspicious in or around the station, please alert the nearest member of staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. Carlisle is our next and final stop, thank you.
I think it's 119, I'm not too sure. And yes, it is 119. Stands out, that one. Out comes Carlisle. So I'm going to probably finish this video here. I'm going to do Trainspotting here, which will be a different video. Now we are on the way back towards Skipton from Carlisle. They just saw we're on the first station coming back. Well, maybe what you call it, sort of signal box there, and so yeah, so every time sort of films it on the way back. I didn't bother showing Carlisle Station, but I'll link the video in the description anyway, what I've done Trainspotting in Carlisle anyway, so that's what I'll do. Halfway. you call it. And we get more train when it actually departs. Now we are just about leaving.
Up the board is Northern Train 2. Next station stop is Avanti.
Now we are at the next station. They might condemn Canal. But I said we'll get more train when it departs. Now we are leaving.
Up the board is Northern Train 2. Next station stop is
station. We breathe. Like a breathe. He likes mountains. We get more of this train when the station where it departs. We will. Now we are departing again. Next station will be Avanti. Depot, nothing there at the moment. North Signaling Box or something like that. And we come up towards Upbeat. Now we're going to come to the better part of the journey and get more trains to depart. Now we are just leaving Upbeat. Now we're coming to Kirby Stephen. We get more train when it departs.
Next station stop is Carlisle.
It's Kirby Stephen. glass down. So we get quite high up, all the hills. Oh, that's that dog that thing. It's apparently quite famous. Apparently lost a chef. The dog went, person never went away and never came back. And there's a story behind that actually, about that dog. I think the sheepdog's trying to find its own, or the owner, or the sheepdog's trying to find the sheepdog, something to do with that. So yeah, glad I got that. It has to be sort of like listened to under. There's a real story linked on that. I can't remember exactly what it means, but that dog is something famous, something about it. So on the line, we get more of the trip when it departs. Now we are leaving Garston. Approaching Dent, which is the highest station in the country. And I'll not see that proper flowers. And we'll get more of this train when it departs. Now we're just leaving Dent. In England, the hive one in England, you just saw that sign, and I'm going to try and get a bit of the viaduct on the train. I'm on the right side this time, so might have Ribblehead Viaduct. There you go. And there you go, there's again. Look at that. Oh, that's a brilliant picture. There is a little bit of a glare from the seat, but hey ho, but that is pretty the best to go. And now we're at Ribblehead. And we'll get more of this train when it departs. Now we're just in Ribblehead. Has been quite quick here, and we're at north of the Riversdale, and it's not going to be for very long. Next station, I'll get more when it departs. Now we leave Riversdale, altitude 850 feet. It'll be very quickly out because of the battery, and we'll go more when we get to Seattle. We're coming to the Seattle station. This is the last station on the Carlisle to Seattle line, and yes, we'll film more, and I'll go finish here. I'll get the final outro when we get to Skipton. There you go. I've got a short time just to finish the station off. There you go. 59 goes towards Leeds, the train we've got on, and it's unfortunately 158 at the front to get that put on screen. On the rear it's 158792, and that's been a good day today going towards Carlisle and back on the Seattle line towards Carlisle, and yes, it's been a great day, and now it's pouring down rain. If you love the video, click thumbs up this, try any post. Goodbye.